Welcome to our video on building trust in relationships. Building and maintaining trust is crucial for any healthy and meaningful connection. Whether it's with your romantic partner, friends, or colleagues, trust forms the bedrock of strong relationships. In this video, we will explore essential strategies and effective exercises that can help you cultivate and grow trust, leading to stronger bonds and increased fulfillment in your relationships. Strategies for building trust. Strategy 1. Open and honest communication. The cornerstone of trust is open and honest communication. It's essential to express yourself authentically and transparently, sharing your thoughts, feelings, and concerns openly with the other person. This level of vulnerability fosters trust and encourages the other person to reciprocate, paving the way for a deeper connection. Strategy 2. Consistency and reliability. Consistency and reliability are key factors in building trust. It's essential to be consistent in your actions and words, following through on promises and commitments. By doing so, you show others that they can rely on you, creating a sense of security and trustworthiness. Strategy 3. Active listening and empathy. Building trust involves actively listening to others and demonstrating empathy. By genuinely listening to someone's thoughts and feelings without judgment, you validate their experiences and create a safe space for open communication. Empathy allows you to understand the other person's perspective and emotions, further strengthening the foundation of trust. Strategy 4. Setting boundaries and respecting them. Establishing and respecting boundaries is crucial for building trust. It is essential to communicate and honor building trust in relationships. Stag personal boundaries, ensuring that both parties feel comfortable and respected. By establishing clear boundaries and respecting them, you demonstrate trustworthiness and signal that you value the other person's needs and boundaries. Strategy 5. Practice forgiveness and letting go. Trust can be tested when mistakes or misunderstandings occur. Practicing forgiveness and letting go of past hurts is essential for building and rebuilding trust. Holding on to grudges or resentments erodes trust over time. By practicing forgiveness, you give the relationship an opportunity to heal and grow stronger. Exercises for building trust. Exercise 1. Building vulnerability. Vulnerability is a powerful tool for building trust. Take the initiative to share something personal or intimate with the other person. This exercise allows you both to step out of your comfort zones and foster a deeper sense of trust and connection. Exercise 2. Active listening. Practice. Engage in active listening exercises to enhance your communication skills. Practice summarizing and reflecting on what the other person has expressed, ensuring you understand their viewpoint. This exercise promotes trust by demonstrating your genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. Exercise 3. Collaborative problem solving. Engaging in collaborative problem solving exercises allows you to work together as a team, fostering trust and mutual respect. Tackle a challenge together, ensuring everyone's ideas are heard and valued. This exercise builds trust by promoting a sense of shared responsibility and open communication. Exercise 4. Building trust through acts of kindness. Perform random acts of kindness for the other person, whether it's a small gesture or a significant favor. These acts demonstrate reliability, care, and thoughtfulness, strengthening the bond of trust. This exercise cultivates a sense of reciprocity and fosters a positive relationship dynamic. Exercise 5. Sharing gratitude and appreciation. Take the time to express genuine gratitude and appreciation for the other person's presence and contributions. Share specific instances where their actions made a positive impact on your life. This exercise not only builds trust but also nurtures a culture of positivity and appreciation within the relationship. Building trust in relationships is a continuous journey requiring effort, compassion, and personal growth. By implementing these strategies and exercises, you can nurture trust and foster deeper connections with your loved ones, friends, and colleagues. Trust forms the foundation for healthy and fulfilling relationships, enabling you to navigate challenges and build a stronger bond. Remember, building trust takes time, patience, and consistent effort, but the rewards are well worth it.